Hey people, what's up? Wagwan. Everybody good? So you know, so sometimes you do yard right and want good vibes, yeah? But and every time you go and check the same thing over and over, just simple rum, chaser. No, sometimes you want to mix it up, right? Yeah man, sure that. So I'm sure say most people can find at least a small bottle of rum in the yard. If I even want a flask or if they drink as them a few bottles. Or if I go, sure so can find a little bit of rum in the yard. I mean, I'm sure say most persons can find a one or two beer in the yard, but maybe a Heineken, Guinness, Dragon, or maybe Red Stripe. Because personally, I love Red Stripe. And all the time, do the same thing the same way. Can change up a little bit, man. And right now, this video I just showing us things can different though. Stay tuned. Yeah man, so the drinks we're making today is called a light beer martini. It's one of my specials and very easy to make, not expensive to make, anybody can make it. Yeah, you don't really add ice to a martini like in the glass, so if you add the ice when you're making it. So. Alright, so we're using 2 ounces of coconut rum. Quarter an ounce of cherry brandy. Or if you don't have cherry brandy, you can use the cherry syrup if you have it. Kind of work the same, just you probably want to increase the alcohol a little bit more. Or even sorrel. Yeah, well, if any of you guys decide to like use sorrel, just tell me what it turns out in the comment below, okay? Just about quarter an ounce. And quarter an ounce of lime juice. Just to make it look fancy certain way, because I know we as Jamaican we love it hype. Just add a little cherry to it. And the orange twist. Simple cocktail, very easy to make. With stuff you can find in your house. And if you go on bar buy this, I feel it's about $10, probably even more. I'm talking US by the way. So yeah. Hey, if you like the video, just like it down below. Comment funny, waiting body, and if you know somebody way drink as much as, well not as much as me, if you know somebody have alcohol in the yard and can drink on a good level, probably not like me, but tell them about it man, share it to your Facebook, share it to Instagram, share it to WhatsApp. Yeah man, share man.